Welcome to my playthrough of The Last of Us Remaster PlayStation 4.
I hope that sumbitch made it out.
It didn't show me a button. What button am I supposed to press?
Believe in the fireflies.
20 years later.
That's funny.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose this job. I understand. Let's talk about this in the morning, okay? We'll talk about it in the morning. All right, good night.
Hey,
Scoot.
Monday at work, huh?
What are you still doing up? It's late.
Oh, crud, what time is it?
It's way past your
But
bedtime.
it's still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Here,
What's this?
your birthday? You kept complaining about your broken watch. So I figured, You like it?
Honey, it's
What?
nice, but I think it's stuck. It's not.
What? No. Oh, ha ha.
Where did you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish.
Good night, baby girl.
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's some...
Uncle Tommy? Hello? What was that all about?
Okay, so, I won't be doing a lot of talking because obviously I want to hear this story again. I love this story. I get to play as Sarah again. Oh my god. Has the coolest room. I remember those stars. I stick them on my walls too, like that. So yeah, since it is in survival mode,
Phone's dead.
or the most difficult one, I have not played Survivor, so I don't know how the gameplay is gonna be. But if it's anything like hard mode, boy,
Dang it.
that's all I gotta say.
I forgot to give this to him.
Congrats. You're not a fossil yet. Happy birthday. Dear Dad, let's see. You're never around. You hate the music I'm into. You particularly despise the movies I like. And yet somehow you still manage to be the best dad every year. How do you do that? Happy birthday, Pots. Love, Sarah. So, honestly, if this was to happen in real life, I don't know what I would do. I
Dad?
mean, the only logical thing to do is get a bug out bag and get whatever you need. And do something other than, I don't know. Like, I don't know what I would do. Reflection in the mirror. Perfect. 300% increase due to mysterious infection. Police. Crazed woman killed husband, 3 others. See, stuff like that. Like, let's say you got a newspaper, you about to take your business in the bathroom, and then all of a sudden, it's that.
Daddy?
What are you gonna do? Exactly. Uh, Honestly, panic.
You in here?
Seem to be somehow connected to the
Where
nationwide
the heck
pandemic.
are you?
We've received reports that victims afflicted with the infection show signs of
That's
increased
nearby.
aggression, and
Move everybody out of here now. There's a gas leak. Hey,
there seems to be some commotion coming from.
get the hell out of here, bro!
Oh, there's a lot of rattling in my controller.
Dad?
Whoa! Damn. See, shit like that. Like, if you heard that shit from a distance from your house, and then that shit went off, hell no.
Dad? What is going on?
So I don't remember the puzzles and all the shit that's in this game. I played it on hard mode, and I just played it just to finish the game. Like, I wasn't,
There's his phone.
I wasn't playing it just, you know. I'm going to be home late tonight. Go ahead and order food. See
Where
you in
is
the morning,
he?
Dad. Okay. Phone. Okay.
8 missed calls. Where the hell are you?
Tommy.
Call me on my way.
Well, what can you do? What can you do about it? Oh, my reflection of Sarah scared the absolute fuck out of me. Okay.
There you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah?
What's
Did anyone
going
come in
on?
here?
Oh,
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back there.
okay.
Dad, you're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
It's the Coopers. Something ain't right with them. I think they're sick.
What kind of sick?
Jeez. Jimmy!
Dad?
Honey, come here. Come here. Jimmy! Jimmy, I am warning you! Don't!
You shot him.
Sarah,
I saw him this morning.
listen to me. There is something bad going on. We have got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Tommy, come on. Come on.
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there?
I got some notion.
Holy shit. You got blood all over
It
you.
ain't mine. Let's just get out of here.
You're saying half the people in the city lost their minds.
Can we just please go?
Some sort of parasite or something.
I can zoom. Holy shit.
Tell me what happened.
There's the house.
Hey, Sarah. How you holding up, honey?
I'm fine.
I love this
Is on the
camera.
radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
Cell phone.
Hey, 2 brothers.
Yeah, we're doing great. A minute ago, newsman wouldn't shut up.
He said where to go.
There's that house.
He said,
And,
Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County.
We need to get the hell out. Take 71.
70. Swing.
Did they say how many are dead?
Probably a lot. Found this one family all mangled inside their
Tommy's.
house. Right. I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ, how did this happen?
They got no clue. But we ain't the only town. First they're saying it's just the South. Now they're going on about the East Coast, the West Coast. Holy hell. That's Lewis's farm. I hope that sumbitch made it out.
Sure he did.
Were you sick?
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. We're fine, trust me.
All right.
Let's see what they need.
What do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
I got a kid, Joel.
So do
But
we.
we have room.
Keep driving, Tommy.
Stop!
You see what I see. Someone else will come along.
You should have.
This is bad. Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea.
We could just backtrack and...
See, shit like that, you never do. Like, I would. Oh,
Tommy, holy shit.
boy. Hello. Hey.
What the fuck just happened? Did you see that? Yes.
Oh, God.
God damn. Turn here, turn here.
Come on, people, move.
What are they running from?
Honestly, I would drive through them. I don't
Try.
give a fuck.
Oh,
Would not give a single fuck. Get out my way.
can't
You
stop
see a
them.
running car.
Fucking drive through them, Joel! Back up there! They're behind me, too! There, hold on! Go!
Oh my God.
Daddy? Hey. Hey.
Oh shit.
Okay.
And Hadouken. Oh. Well, hello. Damn. Dead as hell.
I'm here, baby. I'm here. Come, give me your hand. What is it?
My leg hurts.
How bad?
It's bad.
We're gonna need to run.
Keep us safe. Come on, baby. Now hold on tight.
Aw, shoot.
Daddy, I'm scared. Oh, no.
Oh, shoot. Go. Oh my God. I hear it behind me. Oh. Oh. Where? Tommy. Oh my God, I'm turned all over.
People are on fire.
Don't look, Sarah. Keep looking at me, baby.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay.
No. Wait.
Get
Get out of this. I promise.
better get up off the floor. Oh my God.
Get back! There's too many of them! This way!
Oh.
Through the alley!
Okay. Move. Oh God. Go. I'm going. Ooh. Hey. How you doing? Well, it didn't have me. It didn't show me a button. What button am I supposed to press? Oh.
He's dead!
Jesus.
God damn it!
Well, that was awkward.
We're almost there, baby.
They're getting through the fence!
I mean, I see they
Find a
trailing.
way out of here! Come on!
Oh, I'm coming.
Move it! Get to the highway! Go! You got Sarah! I can outrun him!
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there! Hurry!
Okay, tra la 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 la.
Leave him.
We gonna have to.
He's gonna be fine.
Ooh, that seemed like that
We're
hurt.
almost there.
Let's go! Run, Joel, run! Well, don't tell me that. I hear him. I don't even want to turn around. Nope. No. Oh, boy. Oh, my God.
It's okay, baby. We're safe. We're safe. Hey, we need help.
Stop!
Please. It's my daughter. I think her leg is broken.
Stop right there!
Okay. We're not sick.
Got a couple of civilians in the outer perimeter. Please advise.
Daddy, what about Uncle Tommy?
We're gonna get you to safety and go back for him, okay?
Sir, there's a little girl. But... Yes, sir.
Somebody, we've just been through hell. Okay, we just need... Shit. Please don't. Oh, no. Sarah. Move your hands, baby. I know, baby, I know. Listen to me. I know this hurts, baby. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby. I know it hurts. Come on, baby. Please. I know, baby. I know. Sarah. Baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Come on. No. No. No, no, please. Please, please don't. Please.
'The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
There are hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
You can still rise with us. Remember, when you're lost in the darkness, look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
$20 later in the summertime.
I'm coming.
Old age is getting to him. Test girl.
How was your morning? Want one?
No, I don't want one.
Well, I have some interesting news for you.
Where were you, Tess?
West End District. Hey, we had a drop to make.
We had a drop to make.
Well, you wanted to be left alone, remember?
So I'll take one guess. The whole deal went south and the client made off with our pills. Is that about right?
Deal went off without a hitch. Enough ration cards to last us a couple of months, easy.
You want to explain this?
I was on my way back here, and I got jumped by these 2 assholes, all right? And yeah, they got a few good hits in, but... Look, I managed.
Give me that. Are these assholes still with us?
It's funny.
Let's find out who they were.
Yeah, look, they were a couple of nobodies. They don't matter. What matters is that Robert fucking sent them.
Our Robert.
He knows that we're after him. He figures he's gonna get us first.
Son of a bitch, he's smart.
No. He's not smart enough. I know where he's hiding.
Like hell you do.
Old warehouse in Area 5. Can't say for how long, though.
Well, I'm ready now. Yeah?
Oh, I can do now.
Okay, okay. Gonna fuck some people up.
The checkpoint's still open.
Well, you got a few hours left until curfew.
Well, we better hurry up then.
Joel!
Wait, are you serious?
I got served
Let me be, nosy.
I've been selected for outside work duty.
Oh, that's such crap. Soldiers are supposed to handle the outside.
I'll make sure to tell them that. What about you, Joel? You been summoned for this bullshit yet?
Nope.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm coming, Tess. Just being nosy. Seek the fireflies, Jesus. Cool. I hear a baby.
Attention. Citizens are required to compliance with all city personnel is mandatory.
Look at that. Ration line hasn't opened yet. Must be running low again.
Listen. I don't play games with headset, so when these bitches come out, meaning I'm not gonna be very happy with that, because them bitches are gonna be in my ear. Yeah, we're not gonna watch that. No, go.
Seems like more people are getting infected.
That just means more people are sinking.
Yep. Yikes.
I gotta sell new pictures. They should
fucking lynch
static up there. Like,
Whoa. There's so many. Des.
Drive on through.
There's so much dialogue. What's happening? I don't know who's talking. Okay.
What's your business here? Got the day off. Visiting a friend. All right. I'll run through. Thanks.
Oh, fuck.
Get out of here! Close Firefly!
Frank? Gotta go.
Coast is clear. Come on.
I'm coming.
Checkpoint 5 is now closed until further notice.
Close.
So much for the easy route. Patch yourself up, all right?
Health kit. Bind up your wounds with a health kit. Use a health kit. Takes time. Make sure you are in a safe place. Hey.
They're gonna close all the checkpoints. We're gonna have to go around the outside.
Outside the wall.
Or we could just let Robert go.
Cute.
Hey, Tess, you see that shit?
I was there. Hey, how's the east tunnel looking?
It's clear. I just used it. No patrols. And where are you off to?
Gonna pay Robert a visit?
You too?
Who else is looking for him?
Marlene. She's been asking around, trying to find him.
Marlene? What do the Fireflies need with Robert?
You think she'd tell me?
Well, what did you tell her?
The truth. I got no idea where he's hiding.
Good man. Hey, you stay out of trouble, all right? Military's gonna be out in force soon.
Yeah, see you around.
Looking for Robert and Marlene looking for him too.
Marlene looking for Robert? What do you make of that?
I don't like it. We better find him before the Fireflies do.
This is us.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Lightly jogging.
Shit's stirring up out there. How we looking over here?
Stay quiet. I'm assigned to military inspector.
Okay.
I like it here.
Push this out the way for you.
Joel, give me a hand with this.
Y'all take it easy out there.
Whee!
God, this
Jesus.
place reeks. I need to watch what they throw away down here. There'd be lights. Let's grab our gear.
Voltage.
Our backpacks are still here from last time.
Cool.
Not a lot of ammo.
Make your shots count.
Oh, the game still has when so when I did hardcore or hard mode, I unlocked some things from my bonuses, and this was one of the things. Yeah. Cool. Aim. Oh.
All right. Texas.
Reload.
Boost me up.
Reload. Why are you looking at me like that? Okay.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
I'm coming. Strong, independent woman.
Go on.
Got it.
Be careful.
When am I not?
Ooh.
Got a trick
Oh boy.
question.
So is Survivor. I'm scared of Survivor actually. I never played any game on Survivor. As you can see, I have one death, and that was the intro. So, this game's gonna be quite difficult.
Ain't been out here in a while.
It's like we're on a date.
Well, I am the romantic type.
You got your ways.
I hope there's no secrets.
Where's the ladder?
It's got to be around here somewhere.
It's right there, Tess. Jesus. Use your eyeballs.
Got it.
Great, bring it over.